Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to personalize your clothing by putting on an iron-on patch. And I'm putting it on this hoodie because there's like an embroidered company logo here that I don't like, so I'm going to just put this right over top of it. So what I'm gonna do here is try to line up this patch to where it's covering up this logo just enough. And then what we're gonna do is take an ironing cloth. In this case, I used an old t-shirt. And you just put that right over where you're putting the patch on. And then you take your iron, which this is gonna be a dry iron, and you wanna make sure that you set the dial to the cotton setting. And then we're gonna go over this patch for about 10 to 30 seconds with the iron, because we just wanna make sure that this is heating up the glue from the inside of that patch to where it's gonna like stick on this shirt. I like to kind of lift up the cloth and check the patch every so often just to like see how it's sticking. Like if the corners are still peeling up, I know that it's not stuck yet. That glue needs to be heated up quite a bit to stick. Do you see that little brown ball over there? That's my dog. She's sleeping. Should we wake her up? I feel like she always wakes me up when I'm sleeping, so it's okay if I wake her up when she's sleeping. It's only fair. Yeah, this patch is a little harder to get it to stick to this material. Comment. Are you awake? Did I wake you up? Hi, baby. Hi. Oh, she's so sleepy. Starting to stick now. I think it takes a little longer to like stick to this sort of thicker fabric, maybe. That could be part of it. Comment. Are you sleeping? Did I wake you up again? Oh, and another thing that we would like to do is give a shout out to Sarah and Mr. Pickles. We are big fans of their videos, and they gave us a shout out last week. So, hi Sarah and Pickles. So I'm gonna let this cool off just like a little bit. I want you to see what this looks like. I'm just gonna let it cool off a little bit, because if it's still really hot, I don't want to peel it up because I can't tell if the glue's actually sticking. So I'll let it cool a little bit before I try to peel the corners up, and then I'll know for sure if it's stuck. So just kind of like let this cool off a little bit. And what I do is, once it's kind of cool, I'll just take my fingernail along the edge here like this and see if it's peeling up. And if the areas where it's peeling up, I know it's not totally stuck yet, like right here, it's peeling up a little bit on the ends. So I know it's not totally stuck all the way. So I want to keep going over that and make sure that it's like really stuck on there. So I'm going to just keep repeating that process. My other dog is standing on the ground over here, like looking at me. Come here, buddy. Come here. Come say hi. This is Chance. They just kind of hang out around me wherever I am. They have no clue what I'm doing right now. Your mommy's making a video. You can help. Oh, Comet. You okay? You alright? Here, you wanna lay on this pillow? Silly. Alright, so I'm gonna let this cool off again. And then I'm gonna check these corners again. Still pretty hot. So once you get this on, to make sure that it's like extra bonded to the shirt, you can flip the shirt over and go from the inside out. And to show you what it looks like once it's ironed on, ta-da! I have that other embroidered company logo covered up, and we have our patch sewn on. And that's how you sew patch onto a hoodie.